this present session, we will be discussing about the internship opportunities, like how you have to use your internship opportunities during your college days or after your college days, or if you're already working in some company, like how you have to get an internship with some experienced person to set up your career in the future as a consultant. Okay, we will discuss some of the points here. These are all generalized points which can be implemented in each and every situations. You have to implement it accordingly. Okay, the first one, an opportunity to figure out what kind of career you want. For example, if you want to build a career in the building construction, for example, if you want to build a career in the building construction, if you are a civil engineer, BE civil engineer, for example, you are in the college. Okay, you are a student now, you are in the college, you are maybe in the third semester or fourth semester. What you can do is you can approach your local people, okay, local engineers. There will be a lot of associations available now, private engineers association in every city. You can approach there as a student and you can tell them that, yes, after my fourth semester, I'm having a vacation for almost 30 days. I want to use that vacation as an internship to learn something in the field of construction. Okay, so among them, any one of the engineer may hire you with by paying you something, or they might not pay you because you are learning something. You are an engineer who has not completed your degree. Okay, so what he will do is he will take you to the site. He will tell what exactly is going on the site. In the beginning, you won't understand what exactly they are telling, more technical words and all those things. Nothing to worry. What you can do is you can just observe what's happening in that particular site, in the construction site, and try to compare that with the studies what you are doing in the college. Okay, this is with respect to the student. If you are a fresh graduate, what you can do is in a similar way you can approach the local civil engineer or anyone, and you can tell them that I want to do an internship with you. It may be paid or it may not be paid. Not an issue. Okay, in the beginning, as a civil engineer career, when it starts developing, okay, try to get as much knowledge as possible to set up your career as a consultant. Okay, if you want to be a consultant in the future, okay, you should be knowing what exactly the other people are doing it, so that you can see to it what exactly the faults they are doing it, what the mistakes they are doing. You can correct it within your way, okay, and implement it in your consultancy. So this is about figuring out what kind of career you want and searching the internship in that particular career. Okay, the second one, a chance to work with a smart and motivated people. Okay, in present situation, okay, in the present trend, what we are seeing is, if you take myself, okay, I'm having just 10 years of experience in the field of construction, structural design, valuation, estimation, road contract, lot of things. Okay, so generally I motivate my juniors, okay, to do a lot of things, okay, to innovate new software, to learn new softwares and all those things. So when you start working with the smart and motivated people, what happens is your energy level will increase, your confidence level will increase. Okay, but if you are working with a person who is not so energetic or not smart working, he is doing the same conventional, the orthodox method of construction, you won't learn anything there. Okay, so try to take an internship with the people who are very smart. They are smart workers, okay, and they have to motivate you people so that you will get more confidence in your life. Okay, next, access to mentors you can learn from. Okay, so apart from working with the people, okay, you should have a mentor in your life. For example, if you take myself, I'm having a mentor called Mr. Suresh, who is a structural engineer in one of the diploma college. He's a professor also there. So what I feel is, whenever I have any problem, I just go to him, I just talk to him, okay, regarding it may be technical or it may be any small doubts related to site or anything. Because of his experience of almost 35 to 40 years, he will tell what exactly may happen, okay, what all the things I have to implement in structural design. That is one part of it, the structural design. If I'm having any problem in the construction, my father was a civil engineer. He served for almost 3 decades. So I'll go to him and I'll sit with him, I'll discuss with him what. So I'm feeling I'm having a lot of problem in this kind of situation for laying a concrete, or and some situations which is very difficult to solve on the site. Okay, those things I'll discuss with my father. So he's a mentor for me in the building construction. Similarly, you should be having a mentor wherein you can talk to him very freely. Okay, he should actually involve in your problem and to give you the final solution. It may not be a solution, it may be guidance. Okay, that is about having a mentor in your life. It will definitely help you in your consultancy field also. A chance to experience in new city. For example, if you are doing an internship, for example, if you are from Mysore, okay, if you want to do an internship in Bombay, Okay, so you can go there, you can explore the city. Okay, what exactly the new type of construction they are following it, what new technology has been implemented in that big city. Okay, when it's compared to Mysore or Bangalore. Okay, so these kind of experience you will get it when you go to a new kind of place. Okay, you will be separate from your family. Okay, you might be feeling homesick. All those experiences you will get it. As a civil engineer, you should be keep on traveling. Okay, you should be keep on traveling to get new technologies in the market. When you start implementing new technologies in the market, what happens? Your consultancy level go to the next. Okay, it will be in the top level. Okay, if I am doing some consultancy in soil testing, if you have implemented some new technology in soil testing, what happens? Your consultancy will stand more than what my consultancy level is now. Okay, so keep it in your mind when you are going to a new city. Try to observe what exactly they are doing it. If you can go for a new, you can explore new like different countries also, foreign countries. Okay, like for example Hong Kong, Dubai, wherein lot of infrastructure projects are coming up. Okay, new kind of technologies they are using it. So go there. If your friends are there in the same field, try to approach them and try to get the technology what they are doing it, and try to implement those technologies in your consultancy. Next, the opportunity to add new tools to your toolbox. This is very, very, very important. For example, till today we are doing AutoCAD for detailing, correct? There are a lot of softwares available like Revit or Tekla structures and all those things, which are the detailing softwares. Okay, it will give you a lot of information compared to AutoCAD. I'm not telling AutoCAD is a, it's already going off in the market. It's not like that. There are new toolbox available in the market which is very easy to use it. Okay, the people have started to use those toolbox internationally. So when they are using the new toolbox, you have to put the toolbox in your pocket, in your consultancy. You should be having the knowledge. I'm telling you, you should have that knowledge. I'll give you my example itself. Very recently, I got training in Tekla structures from G2G Engineering Limited, Bangalore. Okay, I got training for almost 3 months. Then I joined a company called Greenbrook Engineering in Bangalore itself, and I got an exposure like how exactly they're going to implement those tools. What like the practicality of implementing those tools is very important. Okay, so training is one part. Second thing, implementing that is the different part practically. So I got to know that okay, they are doing in this one, they are implementing like this, they are handling the clients, they are having clients from USA. So like that I got a lot of information which we are implementing in our consultancy now. Okay, probably we are getting very new projects in Tekla structures as a consultant from January 2021, or almost by March we will be having a lot of projects in our hand. So these kinds of new toolbox you have to implement it in your consultancy, so that what happens tomorrow, if someone asks you, are you using this tool? Yes, we are already using this, we are experiencing this. So when you tell that one, that person who is about to give you the job, he will decide that yes, I'll give the job to this guy, he will give me the solution. Okay, next one, a way to test what you have learned. This is what I was about to tell you. Like I have already learned something, so I have to test it on myself. I have to do it. I've got a training in Tekla structures. I have to see to it whether I can do it or not. Correct? Whether I can use the software or not practically for the live projects. That's why I joined a company. I worked there for almost 4 to 5 months. I tried myself to implement my knowledge in that software. I got success in that one. Okay, because I had almost 9.5 years of experience practically. So it was very easy for me to implement that software practically. Okay, next, an opportunity to work on the projects that matter. Here, for example, if some opportunity comes to you to work in a metro rail project, okay, as an internship, okay, as an internship, so don't lose the opportunity. Okay, just go there. If they are not paying also, nothing to worry. Go there, try to see what exactly the technology they are using it, how they are handling the labors, what kind of testing they are doing it for the concrete cubes. Okay, in what days they are doing it. Generally we'll do it for 7 days and 21 days, like that. So there may be some changes they are doing it. Okay, what grade of concrete they are doing it, from where they are getting the RMC. So all these informations will definitely help you to set up a consultancy tomorrow. Understood? So if you are having a lot of information with you, okay, so you can just make a note of it, each and everything. Okay, if you have got an internship in metro rail project in Bangalore, for example, if they are doing a lot of things, okay, you don't believe, I got an inquiry for setting up a shuttering work for the bridge, one of the bridge project, okay, which is very related to metro rails, but we were not experienced in that one. So I contacted a lot of people through LinkedIn. Okay, we got some contacts in Bangalore itself. They're already doing this, so we approached them, and through my consultancy, Maniday Business Services, we have already sent a proposal to the Metro Rail project for the next lane, which is coming in the Bangalore. Okay, for that shuttering work, just to support the concrete work, whatever it is coming on it. So this like this, you will be having a lot of opportunities. Okay, the projects which are very much needed or which is very new, if you get an internship in that kind of project, please do it. Okay, you'll get a lot of information in that one. Next, a way to earn an income. For example, if you are a fresh graduate, if you get an internship, if they are paying very less, also not an issue. You are getting some money, correct, for the knowledge what you are gaining it. Okay, if you are getting some 10,000 rupees, but the knowledge what you are gaining now, it is priceless. It is priceless. Okay, so try to you'll get an earning also by doing the internship. You'll get the knowledge also. Try to implement that knowledge, make a note of it, keep a diary for it, make all the notes whatever they are doing it practically. Try to implement it in your consultancy later on. We'll be discussing how to set up a team of engineers. Okay, how to set up a civil engineering team, complete civil engineering team, in the coming sessions. So you'll understand what all I was talking now can be implemented in each and every step to set up a consultancy. Okay, we will discuss many things in this particular module, okay, which are very important for you people to set up a consultancy. So this ends this particular session. Thank you.